I don't know if this is going to be a good idea. We are walking in the rain to the tarn, hopefully some waterfalls. Right, let's check them out. Okay, little beauties. Obviously, follow the highway, country code, whatever it is, here in the countryside. Ow! Alright, sheep. I'm not even sheep. Are you goats or sheep? Well, must be bad weather if the sheep are hiding at the side of a wall. Alright, then perhaps not. Listen to that water. And then you're going to be amazed at what it is up here. Can you see that waterfall? It really is bloody impressive. I think it's so good we've had so much water. It looks like bloody snow. I know that tree's in the way, but can't do anything about nature. But look, what do you reckon? Isn't it amazing? Isn't it gorgeous? You see the big ones there? There's no one up there. You probably can't see it with this camera. But just look at it. Can't wait. Let's do it. We're on our way up with my fantastic navigational skills. Good. Okay, anyway, let me just get around this corner and you'll see the waterfall. Go and have a look at it. Go to the tarn and swim in that. Don't break my ankle. Layers. Yes. Yes, it is. Look at that. It's covered in the spray. It's a little bit too wild to go swimming in. Just look at it. I'll be swept downstairs, down them things. You see the mist running off it? But what a beautiful view. It is amazing. Oh, just have a look at that. Look at that. Love it. Okay, so these are the final stones. Oh god. Not too bad. It's a bit windy. The tarn. There it is. One that's feeding. Waterfall. All the way. Down there. This is looking like the entrance spot. Just down there. Oh! Oh!
It's so pretty, these ones.